Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you guys on anti-gravity how to start a new chat. As we know that AI would keep the memory about our recent chat, and then he or she will act based on previous chat. If you want to develop new feature and then you don't want to uh, any connected to the previous development, you have to start a new chat. So instead of confused, what you have to do, you just click this new conversation. That's it. Very simple. Previously, this button is anywhere but here, but now it's really easy. Or you can do on Open Agent Manager and then see your projects. See, for example, these projects, and then you can click new conversation and then make sure this one new conversation on on the particular project you want to start a new chat. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.